All right, so welcome back. This is part 3 of the Belize trip, and I'm on my way to I'm not even going to try to say it, but it's the Mayan temples. You'll see the name, it'll pop up in a second. This drink is delicious, by the way. So yeah, on my way to that place. Temples are really nice. It's probably about, I was coming from Belize City, so it was probably about a 3-hour drive. But you have to take a ferry across, which you saw me loading the vehicle on the ferry, and you can drive up to the entrance to the temple. And very well landscaped, very well taken care of. Just really peaceful. It was really quiet out there, honestly. I think there were maybe about 6 or 7 of us out there all together, but it's really nice. I really wish I could have flown my drone out there, but they have a sign right when you pull up to the property that says no drones. There's a big like a stop sign, you know, and then a little note right underneath it in like different languages. I'm assuming it all says no drones. They also have armed guards out there. They have like M4s or M16s. I don't know if they're gonna shoot down the drones or what, but yeah, the view is amazing. And you can actually see the border of Guatemala. I believe it's Guatemala. And I would have crossed over into Guatemala after leaving the temple, the ruins, but I didn't bring my passport with me up there, so I wouldn't have been able to cross. Really feel bad about that. Really regret that. I think Guatemala would have been cool, and it would have been cool to knock out two countries in one day, one trip, you know. Anyway, the view is spectacular from the top. Pro tip, make sure you make friends with locals. You get things that you want to, there's 2 economies, you know, there's local economy and then there's the tourist economy, and the tourist economy is inflated by at least five times, so 500% inflated. So if you pay $5 Belizean for something, you're gonna pay 25 if you are paying the tourist economy. Also with the local, you don't have to worry about paying for the trip up there. I rented a vehicle and drove, and I didn't have to pay the locals anything. I mean, I got food for them and stuff like that, just to be kind. But I mean, 20 Belizean dollars, which is like 10 American dollars, and we were all able to get some snack foods. But anyway, it was a great trip. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think.